Despite being one of the best foldable smartphones available, the Galaxy Z Fold 5's lanky front screen is disliked by many users, which hinders the device's usability. As rivals attempt to steal market share from Samsung by demonstrating that there are better options, the South Korean tech giant has apparently realized that consumers may no longer put up with thinner screens and has widened the cover display on the Fold 6. A trustworthy source on all things Samsung, Ice Universe, shared a photograph on X that illustrates how the Galaxy Z Fold SIXS outside screen differs from that of the Fold 5. According to Ice, the width of the Fold SIXS cover unit equals the sum of the width and bezel width of the Fold 5's. It was previously said that the width would grow to 60mm from 57mm. Additionally, the screen appears vertically smaller, but it is probably only due to the aspect ratio changing from 22:9 to 23.1:9. The screen will still not be as wide as Samsung's best conventional phones, as it is rumored to have the same 6.3-inch diagonal size as the current generation. However, that is to be anticipated since this is a bendable handset, and even a slight increase in width will greatly influence how you use it. The phone appears to have a slimmer hinge, and Ice Universe reports on the Chinese social media site Weibo that when the phone is closed, its body measures just 1mm wider than the Fold 5, which measures 68.1mm wide. This indicates that Samsung was able to raise the phone's screen size without also increasing the body's width. Thus, it will feel just as good in the hand as the Fold 5. The leaker has released more renders that show off the phone's back, crisper edges, and updated camera module design. There are rumors that the phone's camera array is superior than the one on the present model. All things considered, the Fold 6 appears to have many significant improvements, but this could drive up the cost of the phone. So without being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.